I've got a little bit of an issue with the fill tab. When I was pulling the petrol pipes off, that pulled away really easily, and this one isn't much tighter. So I don't know whether these are meant to just be a press fit, whether they're supposed to be soldered in or what, but I think what I'm going to do is clean these up, clean up in there. I think I'm just going to see if I can get some solder in there. So first of all, I just need to strip it. What's that like in there? A bit muggy. Torch. Yeah, a bit of rust in the bottom there. It's going to need cleaned out anyway, isn't it? I suppose this comes out, is it? Filler. Yeah. Probably just needs a bit of a clean. A bit of clean in there as well, looks of it. Probably actually put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, I think. Be the best way to deal with that. Spring, sort of a spring wash in there. Oh, yeah. A little bit of wear, not too much. That actually looks okay. Right. Probably will get a repair kit for it. I don't know how old this seal is. That might be getting a little bit hard. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, top nut, which is left hand thread. I guess there's a seal in there as well. Yeah, which is in. Yeah, so that one's definitely had it. So yeah, seal kit, clean it up, mug in there. Just on the cleaner should sort that out. Yeah, and then work out whether they should be soldered in or not, or whether they just need sweating in. But yeah, clean up first. This is the fuel tap, which had these brass outlets. One of them had come out anyway, and the other one just pulled out. They were quite loose. So all I've done is just heated this up, the aluminium, and just pressed these back in, and also just put a little bit of solder around there. Hopefully some of that would have wicked down the body there, and hopefully keep them in place. If not, I will have to get a new one of these, but I thought I'd try and repair it first. Fortunately, I won't really know if that's worked until I get it fitted on the tank, so it's going to be a while yet. But they're certainly solid in there, they won't pull out anyway, so as long as there's a tight fit, which it should be, because I heated them up and drifted them back in, so they should be a nice tight fit in there now anyway. So hopefully that will have cured that little problem.